my, what could it be? What do you think is in the box? Well, if you've clicked on the video, you know what's in the box. Let's check it out. Alright, this is something I've been looking forward to for a super long time. And if you're anything like me, you've considered the CK MT200 ACDC. You've probably considered the Everlast 210 EXT. Those are my two big ones that I had narrowed it down to. I also looked at the Alpha TIG. I looked at the Eastwood TIG machine. I looked at the Lincoln Square Wave, the Miller Synchro Wave, and out of all of those, I settled on the CK MT200 for a lot of reasons. Now, if you follow my channel, like and subscribe, and can continue on this journey with me, I'm going to be doing a lot more reviews on this. I'll do some long-term reviews, some medium, and this, of course, is the unboxing, just to show you what comes in it, and what you can expect. So, let's open it up. So, I was always worried that, maybe the video I watched was like super old and it didn't come with the same stuff that the other guys said it comes with. But unless they change all of their packaging, they're going to have to keep offering this welder with these accessories. Otherwise, they have to completely reprint the box, which I guess wouldn't be the end of the world for them. But so far, still comes with all the accessories on all the other unboxing videos you've probably already watched. Hopefully I can provide something unique that those other guys didn't. Anyways, let's continue. Well, I can tell you already, this is 3-ply cardboard, and this box was inside another box of 2-ply cardboard, so it's definitely going to arrive safely. This thing shipped FedEx in a Penske truck. Apparently FedEx is out of trucks. Alright. First thing we got is a flow meter made by CK Worldwide. And the thing is, this is like at the high end of the hobbyist machines. But it has a lot more options than the Lincoln Square Wave or the TIG 200. And I didn't want the Lincoln MP210 because I feel like multi-process machines for the most part are a compromise. And I already have a MIG. I don't want a half TIG. You know what I'm saying? I want a full out TIG. I don't want lift TIG. I want all the features in my TIG machine. And I don't want to sacrifice any features because it's a multi-process machine. So that's why I did not go with the Lincoln MP210. I may upgrade my MIG welder to the Lincoln 180 because I need more than 140 amps. Anyways, this guy here, and CK is a very reputable brand, CK Worldwide. Oh, you know what? I love how the plastic stuff can be opened without a knife. This looks very nice. Yes, I like it. All right, let's keep on moving. All right, this ground clamp, wow. I've never had a nice ground clamp like this before. Ew. Ton of spring pressure. Very flexible. I love the flexible ground. It's got a real nice bushing. It's not wiggly. That's a quality clamp. Nice plug. As far as the length, it probably says on the box. No, it just says ground clamp. So it's probably 12 feet, if I had to guess. right, what's this? So it looks like we have 110, no, that's a 220. Ah. What? Okay, this is a 110 volt adapter, and this is a 220 volt adapter, but for a smaller amp plug. I'm not going to use this. I've got like legitimate 220 plug like this guy, but if you have like a 30 amp or 20 amp 220 volt plug, they have an adapter for that. I forget exactly what that is. It's you don't know if you can tell, but this is for the smaller amperage 220. We're not going to use either of these. Okay, we got an owner's manual here. I'm going to turn this box to the side. Just like Christmas morning. Oh, nice. So this is the foot pedal. This is a lot bigger than I imagined it would be. This is nice and wide. You know, I've always seen these videos, and and in the pictures it just looks so tiny. We're at 5.5 by 8.5. Really good grip. That's super smooth. Nice. I like that. It's got a good amp connector. And the screws are tight. You know how many machines I get with these amp connectors and they're almost falling off? That annoys me so much. This one is actually tight. When I got my plasma cutter, the amp connector, the screws were all loose and it was like twisting on that. This is great. I like that. What else we got? Styrofoam. Nice. I love how they individually package everything in here because they clearly sell this stuff individually and then they sell it as a kit. That's why everything has its own box. Nice. This is a nice torch. Comes with the airline. Oh, nice. Factory crimped. I hate when I have to put the barbed fittings and then, the hose clamps. Those, let's be honest, those never seal that great. I feel like the factory crimps with the flares, I'm excited about this because nothing's worse than, forgetting to turn off your argon coming back and it's empty. Now that may still happen. I'm not promising that won't happen, but I feel more confident about this than, just barbs and hose clamps. So, okay. What is this guy here? Okay, this hooks into the gas, and this just plugs in for the current. Patented. The moment I've been waiting for. Oh yeah. Look at that. It comes with a flex head torch. I think this is one of the only hobby grade, and I shouldn't call it hobby grade, it's at the very high end of the hobbyist grade machines that comes with a flex head torch. Well, maybe the Lincoln does. I think the Lincoln might. Sweet. And, this is what I was worried about. Now, a lot of welders will come with accessories, but they don't come with tungsten. This welder actually comes with tungsten. This comes with 3 collets, 3 collet bodies, 3 cups, a back cap and a short back cap, and then all three sizes of tungsten. So it comes with 16th, 3/32, and 1/8 inch tungsten. I really like, man, super flexible. It's not huge. I like this size torch. At work, I was practicing before this came in, and they have a 350 amp water cooled machine, and the torch is just massive. I'm kind of excited about this. I might get a, what is it, like a number 9 torch, or a series, I don't know. The smaller amperage torch, just for some small stuff. All right, anything else before we pull out the... All right, I'll put that on the ground. Oh, some hose clamps, just in case you want to change this up. You've got 2 hose clamps. It's not very heavy, I will tell you that. Alright, this is what I was hoping. I got a little worried when I saw those adapters, just for a brief moment. Because all of my other stuff in the shop runs off the 50 amp 220 volt plug. It has an on-off breaker in the back. Is there anything on-off in the front? No. Well, that's a little bit of a bummer. It'd be nice if the power switch was in the front, but it's like every piece of equipment I buy like this, the power switch is in the back. Whatever. I'm not gonna complain. I've been wanting this thing forever, so yeah. Alright, well, that is everything that comes with the CK MT200 ACDC. I will get this thing hooked up and do some TIG welding. I am super, super excited. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about anything you've seen, put those in the comment section below. I read all the comments on my YouTube channel. I'm not one of those massive channels that get so many comments they don't have time to read it. The nice thing about my channel is it is a smaller channel, so we can actually communicate and I can answer questions about this if you so have them. So yeah, I am super excited. I will see you guys next time. I'll tell you one thing. The only TIG welder I've ever used before this one was a Miller Syncrowave. It's way easier to start an arc on this than that. So I don't know if it's the 20 years of additional technology. The one I used was a pretty old one, so. I'm not very good at this because I'm kind of new, but that's why I've got so much heat in there and I'm going so slow. But compared to the Miller Syncrowave I was running, was about the size of this welding table. It's a massive welder. It's an industrial grade thing, and I think it's made for doing big stuff, but this, man, I really like this. So hopefully this has helped, you on your decision on which welder to get. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time.